Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. This comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So right over here. Push the pin in, and the tray will pop out. So from here, let's just yank it out, and you have space on the tray for one SD card and two SIM cards, all separate trays. So I'm gonna place both of them here, like so, and then carefully insert it back into the device. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could pop out. There we go. Give it a second. There we go, there's the pin for the SIM card. And something most annoying part of Huawei design, the system language just decided to change, because why the hell not? So if you live in a country that you, I don't know, don't speak the language of, you right now have a phone in a completely random language that you just don't understand. Now that just happened to you, to change it, it's quite simple. I will just show you what you need to press on. So let's get started by opening up settings, which is the gear icon. From there, we're gonna scroll down, I believe all the way to the system and actualizations, I guess, which is the second last. As you can see, the icon right here, a phone with a gear icon. Open that up and then choose the third option, which is language. So right here, this option. And then right at the top, you will have languages and regions. So tap on it and then choose the text below the two bars. As you can see, this is the add language. And find the language that you want to use. As you can see also, Huawei decides to completely throw out the old language. It doesn't just add a new one, it gets rid of the one that you had your phone in, which is amazing. Now for changing it, press on the right side. And there we go, now we're back in English, where this should have been straight from the beginning. No other phone does this, just Huawei. So anyway, obviously the SIM card is working because of that annoyance. And now let's also look for the SD card. Oh, actually there it was. So there is the SD card information as well. So low space memory card, whatever, or speed, space. That doesn't really matter, but as you can see, it is clearly detecting the card that has been inserted in there. So anyway, that is how you insert your SIM and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.